Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you the Playground AI from OpenAI website. This AI gives you a lot of options like ChatGPT and the other AIs from OpenAI, but it's specifically doing some stuff that is kind of different than others. So what I'm going to show you here is how to use this AI and how you can make benefits from it. So let's start with going to Playground OpenAI, and let's join this website. So as you can see here, now write a tagline for an ice cream shop. So for example, let's make something like that. Write a tagline for coffee shop, and let's click on submit. So here is brewing delicious across the globe. So write, let's go down, write 10 ideas for a coffee shop. Let's see if it will work. So let's click on submit. So here it is, the ideas for the coffee shop. Of course you can use this as you like. Any ideas you want to get them, you can get them from this website. So other stuff that you can find in this website, there is grammatical standards to English. You can summarize for second grader. You can text to command, Q&A, English to other languages, pairs and structured data, classification, natural language to Python, and explain code and chat. So you can go through all of these one by one. For example, this one in here, if we click on here, so correct this to standard English. So if we remove this, let's remove this. Right tagline from, okay, so hello guys, I am here. So let's add a point here and click on submit and see what it does. So sometimes it will take a lot of time, and sometimes it will not take like any seconds. So it depends on your luck. And as you know guys, this bot is really new and a lot of people are like using it at the same time. So as you can see, the server is currently overloaded, so it will not give us the answer. But if you were in a good timing and the server was not overloaded, or the developer made some upgrade to the server, it will give you the answer. So you can use all of these because all of these functions for your own good. You can use them on your work and do whatever you like. For example, even if you don't know guys, even if you don't know the Python language, you can actually turn a natural language like English to Python. It will just translate it to it. So yeah, that is the Playground AI. So yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.